This is a video that every nail technician needs: how to remove acrylic lifting. We got the man, Greg Salo, to show you how to do it right now.
All right, your customer comes back to you after a long time and their nails are looking grunge. And there's a lot of imperfections. There's lifting around the edges that you have to remove without doing damage to the natural nail. I'm going to show you exactly the steps that you need to take so that you can remove that lifting without doing any damage at all. First thing I want to be able to show you is, you can see on Tracy's nails right here, I mean, these are severely grown out, but there is lifting all along that edge right here, right? So the biggest problem is that most people who don't have the experience, what they'll do is they'll take the shine down and fill right over that. You can't do that. If you do that, there is a chance of it discoloring. There is a chance of more problems building as the nail grows out. You have to get that out complete. So I'm gonna show you what to do. I'm going to run my electric file at 8,000 RPMs. And what we wanna be able to do is we wanna be able to run, as you can see, I'm running behind, okay? Running behind. And I'm going to do that, and I'm gonna continue to do that in one direction until I can get close. And now what I want to be able to do is I just want to just run it, and I'm flicking at it, right? Flicking at it, flicking, and you can see how all of it is really just starting to flake away. Flake away, perfect. You see that? Look at how nice that is. I'm actually able to get really, really close, and again, you can see how smooth it is going down into the nail. I'm not concerned about any of that right there. I'm gonna be able to go back and clean that up. I'm gonna be able to do that on the opposite side. Again, running the barrel behind the lifted area. And I just kind of wanna tickle it away. Tickle it away. What I'm gonna do is work in one direction on top, just to kind of smooth that down. And then I'm working behind the line, feathering it away. Tickle, 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 tickle. And you can see how everything really starts to kind of feather out. This one right here, she has quite a bit of a lift, right? For me, again, I like to run the barrel in one direction. I'm always pulling towards myself, as you can see. And then as I start to feather away the shine, I want to be able to do that. So you can see, even going on top of the lifted area, you can see where the line is. It's way back here, right? There's the lift, there's the line. I need to try to get as close as I can, and then as soon as I start getting close, then I can really start working off this area, right? I'm just kind of flicking it, flicking the barrel, making sure that I am not, again, gonna hit the natural nail. You can see I've already perforated that section right here. So again, stay close, take your time, make sure that we thin this area down. Now, one of the things you can do, and I again only recommend this as soon as you get down to this area. It is thin enough right now where if I was to use, again, like the end of the magic wand, you're going to notice that as soon as I get behind it, look at this, how it just flakes right off. So I was able to basically perforate it and remove it without tearing the natural nail because I was able to thin down this whole area. We're still gonna have to do a little bit of work in this area right here so that it blends flush with the natural nail. But the most important thing is you're able to get the lift off without tearing the surface at all. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to run below the line. And what I want to be able to do is, you can see I'm just lightly kind of flaking it away, staying on top of the line, not touching the natural nail. This right here, the feathering motion we use during prep, is going to be a great way for you to try to tickle away as much of the line as you possibly can so that you don't put lines in the natural nail. And now what I want to be able to do is we have to prepare the natural nail for reapplication. We're going to push back, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my round diamond bit, and I'm going to be able to get underneath, tickle away any protein growth, and then use this barrel to tickle away the shine on the natural nail. This is a great bit where you're going to be able to get in really, really tight in the tight areas and get it all off. We're now going to take swipe. I'm going to cleanse away all of this, and you're going to notice as soon as it dries, you can see how the natural nail is prepped and ready for reapplication. As soon as you put Protein Bond down, there is zero line. And that's what you want to be able to set yourself up for, so that you have no fill lines at all.
Hey guys, we hope you love our nail videos. Comment below and let us know what you want to see next. To see more, go right over here. To subscribe to our channel, head right over here.